Hello everyone, welcome to Young's Baduk Cafe. There are many unexpected moves hidden in the corners. It's difficult to learn everything at once, but if you learn step by step with me, you will definitely get good results. Last time we looked into this move in detail, do you remember? But if black responds like this, at 4, just extend. Can white survive? If white can leave, how? Let's find out together. First, we will talk about it a little bit. Last time we learned that there is a cutting point P16. So white can save with this one. So the best result was cool. But if black plays there, that means there is no cutting point anymore. So here, white can think about A to D to save. What's your move? Before we talk about it, we will study the step-by-step problems. Number 1, white to play. How can you save this group? Can you guess? This one is the best move. If black plays there, you have 2 eyes. And if black tries something like that, you can just cut. There is nothing black can do. But if you play just like that, simply we can come in, that's it. Or if white plays there, you can reduce like that. So that doesn't work, and also that doesn't work. There are more possibilities. So like this, or the easiest way is monkey jump, then nothing. So this one is nice move to save. Number 2. So if you don't know where, you can watch the number 1. White exchanges this one, right? But why not here? Can we play there immediately? Not really, because of that. If white plays there, cut and then honey. So this is on first eye, B17, I mean here. So it's necessary to exchange before white play B19. Then this one or whatever like this, like that, doesn't work. Either there or even capture like this, white is alive. So this exchange is important to save. Not like this, because of that. Number 3. So now, black played B1 instead of Kusumi like number 2. Because if we play A, white can save because of this one, right? So black think, okay, maybe this is the vital point because white can save with this move. Then, how can we save? Sure, we can make big eye shape here. And if black blocks, how can we save? We can save with this move. If black jump and try to kill this group, but it's a Seki. Seki is alive. Yeah, one more time. If black plays there, we can make an eye shape here. So no problem. It's like Mia here. Here. This is the correct move, but if you play this one, then Hane and connect, and there is a ko like this. Because if you connect, this group is dead. Hane, this is sente, but it doesn't matter. This is dead shape, right? So don't play like this. Better you play like that. This group is 100% alive with Seki. Okay? Maybe you can think about that move too, like this. Then white can make a big eye shape here, and then make seki. Seki is alive. Yeah, it's good for white because there is even cutting point. So for black, it's better to block, but white can save with this move. We come back. So number 4, it's the original shape. So if you were white, where would you play? Yeah, we talk about this move, right? And if black plays there, like number 2, this is sente, and then we can save. It doesn't matter where black plays, you can cut, it's alive. We should also know, so why not, for example, this kusumi? If black answer, you can save easily like this. But here black can play the monkey jump. This group is not alive. Of course, if white has done the lower side, maybe escape. But just like this, it's impossible. Depends on the situation. So here, monkey jump, finished. Of course, we can think about also jump and like this and try to jump or whatever, but this group is not alive. So not 100%. How about this one? Then you can just reduce, and if white block, vital points and hane, that's it. It's too small. Or here, we can play Haengma and then kill. But be careful, in this case, this is not good because it's always sente, then white can save. So that's why Haengma better, because even this is sente, black can come in. Oh, that's hard. Sometimes push is working, but not in this case. Of course, you can start from here. And then in this case, you can push. Because even white plays there, you can kill. Yeah. So you can start from here, no problem. Or if you want to start from lower side, that's the correct move. And how about 2-2? Yeah, you can play just kusumi, and it's same. Either there or there. And if white plays there, Haengma again and vital point. Or vital point first and Haengma. Yeah, that's it. So the best way, here. And if black plays there, here, and this kusumi. So we come back the original shape. 3-3 invasion, cut, and this, and extend. There are 4 possibilities for white. Which one is the best? D. D is the best. And then exchange this one and save. Yeah, that looks strange, I know, but it works. And if black plays there, you can find this nice move to save this group with seki. So the difference is here, this white cannot save easily. I mean, there is a ko-aji, but if you just extend, there's no cutting point, but white can save with D with a ko. You got it? All right. If you have any question, please ask me. See you next time.